system.
different type of user of operating system, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, please tell me, what is the single user multitasking operating system? Please tell me what is the
So
single
here at a
user
time,
multitasking.
a
Tell
single
me.
user can operate multiple tasks. Like we can operate Google Chrome, and at the same time we can operate Facebook or WhatsApp or any social media, or
The
we can
Android
also operate
OS and
YouTube.
Chrome OS means, and
Yes,
then
the Android
Windows
OS.
OS,
These are
Mac
the
OS,
example
they're
of the
all
device.
So that is called the single user multitasking. That means you are a
multitasking.
user
Yes,
in your computer, right? So you are a single user in your computer, and at a time you can perform the multiple tasks in your computer, right? That means at a time you can open the multiple application in your computer. That is called the single user multitasking. And what is a single user single tasking? Single user single task.
sorry, single tasking. That means only one. Means a single user can perform only one task at a time. Means he cannot do multiple tasks at the same time.
Palm
For
OS
example,
example.
the Palm OS there is,
Yes.
and
Symbian.
yes, the Symbian is there.
India.
Kiosk is there.
Yes, that is called the single user single task, right?
Yes, sir.
Another is, please tell me, what is a multi-user and multitasking? What is a multi-user
So
So
multitasking
here,
multi-user
operating system?
multitasking means when multiple users can perform multiple tasks at the same
yes,
time.
sir. Like
For the
Microsoft
examples will be, sir, Windows will
company.
be, Mac OS will be there. Also, sir, the software companies OS.
That means only one operating systems are there, and using that operating system, you can there are multiple user are there, right?
Yes,
And that user also doing the multiple tasks at the same time. That is called the single user. Sorry, multiple user multitasking, right? Multi user multitasking. That is called. Okay. So Unix is also example of the multi-user multitasking. Okay. Like server-based computer, right? Server-based computer. Suppose one operating system installed and that server, and that server you can use the multiple user use that server. Okay, that is called the multi-user multitasking operating system. Next, we discuss the topic. Next is the real-time operating system. So, what is the real-time operating system? Actually, the is a multitasking operating system that aims the executing the real-time application. Okay, and this in this operating system, the main object is the real-time operating system is there and quick the predictable response to event. Okay, and it is the time interval required the process and response to the input is a small that is to control the environment. That is called the real-time operating system. That means what? Using this operating system, you can also do the multitasking. You can also do the multitasking. Okay, you understand? And multitasking is and dash time. That means dash time next time you are doing the next time you open the multiple application in your operating system or in your computer, right? Yes or no? Last time you open the multiple
Yes,
application
sir.
in your
yes, sir.
operating system. That means you can doing the multitasking, right? When when that all the application will be working in the all the times. That means when you working the all that is called the real time operating system. Do you understand? Suppose suppose in my computer you can see I am opening the multiple application in my computer, right? You can see the same
Yes,
time
sir.
I'm opening the different this multiple application. That means I'm doing the multiple work, right? Now when I sweep the one application to the another application, when I switch the one application to the another application, so that time our operating system will be work over that application. Do you understand? That time our operating system will work over that application. When you switch to the another application, then that time our computer will work over that application. Our operating system work over that application. That is called the real time. That is called the real time operating system. Did you understand what I'm saying? Did you
Yes, sir.
understand? Okay. So that is called the
Yes.
real time operating
Yes, sir.
system. Example, the Linux, QNX. So this type of operating system called is the real time operating system. Okay. Now we know when I discuss the operating system, there are mainly two type of operating systems are there, na? Mainly two type of what? Multi-user and single user. Multi-user and single user. Mainly two type of user of their inner operating system. Multi-user and single user. So what is the multi-user? What is the multi-user operating system? So multi-user operating system allow to the multiple user to access a computer system concurrently. Okay, that means what? Mainly multiple user operating system using for the IT sector, IT company, right? Suppose if you're talking about the IBM company, you know IBM company is a big IT company, right? So
Yes, sir.
IBM company provide the multi-user operating system. That means one main operating system install their main computer or server-based computer, right? So and through that server-based computer, there are multiple users are there. That means what? That means they can provide the multiple user ID for that for their operating from over that operating system. So at the same time, there are multiple user they can working over that operating system. Actually, there are big IT companies. They are using their own operating system. They are using their own operating system. Okay, they are not using the like Linux, Mac, or Windows. So big IT companies they are using their own operating system, and so one operating system they are installed in their server computer. Okay, and through the server computer there are multiple users are connected. So at the same time there are multiple users. Suppose try to understand. Suppose class 10. So I have the multiple user operating system, right? So I am I am create the multiple user. I am create the multiple user ID for the different students, right? So they can using any time through their user ID they can access that operating system. Okay, so at the same time the user can multiple user can work over that operating system. That is called the multi-user operating system. Did you understand? Did you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is the uh, time sharing systems can be classified as a multiple user system. Time sharing system can be classified as a multi-user system, and as they enable to multiple user access to a computer through the sharing of time. That means multi-user operating system. There are time sharings are there. They are classified or divide the time sharing. Key, which user, how many time I have given that for the user. Okay, so you can also sharing the time. You can also provide the time, or you can also adding the time for that particular user. Okay, now coming to the single user operating system, mainly where people mainly are using the single, like PC, personal computer, right? So personal
Yes,
computer is called a single user operating system. Okay, single user operating system means what? That means one operating systems are there, so that operating system only single user are there. That is called the single user operating system, like your Windows, Mac OS, Linux, all are the single user operating system, or other single user operating system. That means you have a laptop for your computers, or company, if you install any operating system like Windows or Mac, then if your computer only single user, that means you are the user in your computer. That is the single user, na? if you only you are using computer is called the
Yes,
single
sir.
user, right? And single user operating system also provide the multiple operating system. You can, okay, so like your Windows, so you can all your Windows operating system, you can also convert the multi-user operating system, you can also convert it,
Yes, sir.
right? You can also convert the multiple user operating system. So there is the example like Windows, Linux, all of the single user operating system. And single user operating system, you can also work the multiple work at the same time. Okay, you can also work the multiple work at the same time. But single user operating system, only one user are there. That is the difference between the multi-user and single user. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. This session, this part will this chapter is the finish. Now we discuss the some question answer about the chapter. So please open your book and open the page number 85. Did you open?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So first is the what? First is the fill in the blanks. So first question is the dash is also known as the resource manager. Dash is also known as the resource manager because it will manage all the resource and attached to the system. Dash is also known as the resource manager because it will be manage the all the resource and attached in your attached in your system. So what is the answer? Hello. What is the answer?
Sir,
Did you hear
please
my
repeat the
voice?
question.
Dash is also known as the resource manager because it will be manage
Operating
all
system.
the resource the attached of the system. Yes, operating system because
Sir,
operating system will
operating
manage also.
system.
Huh? Tanya? What?
Sir, operating system. First
Yes,
number.
operating system because operating system will know operating system will manage everything. So operating system also manage your resource. Okay. So this answer is the operating system. Next is the Dash is a free and open source Linux distribution named after the American philosophy. Dash is the free
Ubuntu.
and open source Linux distribution. Ubuntu na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hello?
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
Yes, Ubuntu is the open source Linux distribution. Next is the Unix Windows are example of Dash operating system. Unix Windows are example of Dash operating system. Unix
Single
Windows
use.
Unix Windows are example of Dash operating system. Which type of operating system?
Sir,
Single use, sir.
multi-user, multi-task.
Hmm? What? Hello.
Sir,
Unix
multi-user, multitasking operating system.
Sir,
yes,
multi-user
yes, yes.
operating system.
Multi-user. Because I'm already telling the example of the multitasking multi-user Windows and Unix.
Oh, yes,
If
sir.
if you are using the Windows, then you can also convert your computer as a multi-user because your Windows will provide the multi-user. Okay, you understand? That means
Yes, sir.
Yes.
your Windows 10 will also provide the you are attached the multiple monitor in your computer, right? And you create the multiple desktop, right? So Windows and Unix is the multi-user operating system. Next is the yes, Linux is also okay. Linux is also multi-user. Linux. Next is number 4. Dash is the most popular operating system used on smartphone and tablet in the world developed by Google.
Android.
Android
Huh?
OS.
Yes, very good. Android OS. We
Android.
know Android OS is the very popular mobile operating system, right? Android operating system. Yes or no? Our mobile
Yes,
phone
sir.
is also computer. Our mobile phone is our smartphone is also computer, right? So
Yes, sir.
most popular mobile operating system is the Android. And there's the iOS also there. In your question will be say ki or smartphone download the world developed by the Google. So we know Android operating system developed by the Google, right? So answer is the Android. Did you understand? So answer is the Android. Next is the operating
Yes, sir.
system is also known as the dash because it is the manage all the resource attached to the system. Operating system is also known as the dash because
The
it will
resource
manage all the
manager.
resource.
Resource manager.
Yes, it is a
The resource
resource
manager.
Resource
manager.
manager.
Resource manager. Okay. Now coming to the C part, coming to the part C, uh, define question. The first question is define the terms. First is the system software. So what is the system software? Who can tell? What is the system software?
An inbuilt software that is responsible for management and coordination of activities and the sharing of the resources of computer.
Hmm? What?
An
What
inbuilt
is the
software that is responsible for the management and that coordination of activities and sharing of resource sharing of computer.
We know there are two type of software out there, right? System software and application software. So what is the term of the system software? So system software is the main software. No? System software is the main software which is control the control and operate your hardware and also control your application software, right? So it is the main software in your computer. It is the main software in your computer, or you can say it is the backbone of your computer system. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Operating system will provide the user interface. Operating system will provide the user interface, or operating system provide the platform to the user interface. That is the what? That is the system, or you can say the
But
system software will be provide the user interface. Because why? Because system software will manage everything. So that is the term of the system software. Next is the term of the application software. What is the application software? What is the
say a
application software?
software that is a task specific software,
Yes,
or a software that is a task specific program.
yes. Through the application software, you can instruction in your computer. Through the application software, you can define instruction in your computer, right? Yes or no? Through the application software, you
Yes,
can set the set of the instruction, or you can through the application software through the application software you can set the different instruction in your computers, right? And your application software work over the system software, right? So this is the term of the application software. We know there are some example of the application software like your Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, Internet Edge. All are the example of the application software. We know that different application software, different works are there, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
when you try to run the application software, that time you needed the system software. Without system software, you cannot run any application software. So your application software work over your system software. Okay? Did you understand? Your application software
Yes,
work
sir.
over your system software. Next question is the
Yes, sir.
define the operating system. That means what is the operating system? Define the operating system. Christian, who can tell? Define the operating system.
It is a type of system
Sir,
software that acts as a bridge between computer and the user.
sir, it is a type of software that interacts, that has actual real-time interaction between the user and the different application softwares of the system.
That is not right. Any other anything? Any others? Hello. What is the operating system? Operating system is a part of the system software, right? At first you tell the operating system
Yes, sir.
part of the system software. Operating system manage your computer hardware and software resources. Operating system will manage the computer hardware and software resources. Okay. Operating system work between the software and hardware. Operating system work between the software and hardware. So your operating system will be manage your computer hardware, your software resources, and operating system will be manage your resource, manage your computer resource, like manage your computer memory, right? Manage computer memory. And operating system also recognize your input device, output device. Operating system also send the instruction. Suppose if I given any instruction, who can send? Who can send? If I given the any instruction, just a minute. Hello? So
Yes, sir.
if I given the instruction, then who can manage? Operating system will manage our instruction, right? Operating system will be send that instruction in our processor. So what is the definition of the operating system? So operating system is a system software. Operating system will manage your computer hardware and your computer software. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So example of the operating system is the Mac OS, Linux OS, Windows. All are the example of the operating system. Okay, this is the term of the operating system. Next question is the give two example of operating system. Give two example of operating system. Who can
Mac
tell?
OS,
Rohit.
Linux,
Rohit, please. Rohit.
Apple.
Okay. Rohit. Hello. Rohit Mandal. Rohit Mandal. Did you hear my voice? Rohit. Rohit. Ansu Kumar. Ansu Kumar. Hello. Ansu
Yes,
Kumar.
sir. Yes,
Ansu
sir.
Kahar. Please tell me the two example of the operating system.
Sir, Linux and Windows.
Yes. Yes. Linux and Windows example of the operating system. Now, please, can you tell me about the Windows? Now, tell me about the Windows operating system. What is the Windows operating system? Who can tell? Chandrakanta Basak. Chandrakanta. Hello. Chandrakanta. Can you tell me what is the Windows? Tell me about the Windows operating system. Which company developed the Windows operating system? Mita Das. Mita. I'm audible. Please tell me. Mita. Tania. Hello. Tania Gandhi.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me about the Windows operating system. Please tell me about the Windows operating system.
Sir, Windows operating system helps to
Yes, okay.
operate the system. It helps to control. It is a multi-tasking operating system.
Yes, Sam. Please tell.
Yes, sir. Windows is the system software or the operating system that is developed by Microsoft.
Develop the
Yes, sir.
Microsoft and
It has
Windows
a graphical
operating.
user interface.
Yes, Windows operating system. Windows is the graphical user operating system. That is the multi-user and multitasking operating system. Can you tell me about the latest version of the Windows operating system?
Yes, sir. Windows
So
11
Windows
is the
13.
Windows 11 beta version 22 build 22.00 build is the latest version of Windows.
Yes.
Released on
Now the
29
yes.
June 2021.
Now in this time the latest version is the Windows 10, but after few months the Windows 10 will be introduced for the
Yes, sir.
computers. Okay.
Yes, in 2022
Next is
Windows
the
11 will be the
yes.
only one.
Next is the who can tell me about the Linux operating system? What is the main difference between the Linux and Windows operating system?
So Linux is an
So
open
Linux is
source free
open source
software,
operating system,
free
but
operating system.
Microsoft.
Yeah, but Windows is the paid version and it is
Yes.
not open
The
source.
Yes, sir.
the
Windows is the
main
paid.
difference is the we know Linux and Windows both are multi-user multi-tasking operating system, right? Yes or no? But
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
main difference between Linux and Windows operating system. Linux is the open source and freeware software, so you can use the Linux without any charges. And if you are developer, then you can also develop the Linux operating system. Because why? Because Linux is the open source. Because Linux is the open source. Others say Windows. Others say the Windows is a not a open source. It's a paid operating system, and you cannot develop the Windows operating system, and you cannot use the operating system without the license key. Without the license, you cannot use the Windows operating system. So that is the main difference between the Linux and Microsoft Windows. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
coming to the next point. Okay. uh, Question number 4. Question number 4 is the every computer must have an operating system. Yes, we know every computer must have the operating system to run the others programs. You know, without the operating system, it is not a possible. We are install the others application software. So without an operating system, a computer is of no use. Why? Without the operating system, why the computer is no uses without the operating system? Who can tell? Because we know operating system, without the operating system, a
So because
computer
it
will.
acts as a link between the software and hardware. So without it, operating system, there
The
will be no
operating
link.
system is the one responsible for real time interaction between the user. That means it takes commands from the user and acts as a platform for the other application softwares to run on.
Yes, very good. Because without the operating system is not a possible, because we know operating system will be manage your hardware and also manage your software, right? So without operating system, it will not possible कि we are install the our install any application software. And we know operating system will be interact between the user and hardware. So without operating system, we cannot interact into hardware, and without operating system you cannot instruction in your computer, because we know operating system will be interact between the user and hardware. Na operating system will provide the interact between the user and hardware. So without operating system, how can we interact in our hardware? It is not a possible. Na it is not a possible. So that's why operating system is a very important in our computer. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
describe the type of operating system, basic, the number of user. Describe the type of operating system, basic, the number of user. So if I tell the type of the operating system, basic of the number of the user, the two type of operating systems are the number of user are there.
Yes, sir. Single
Single
tasking and
single user
multitasking.
single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Please read the question. Describe the type of operating system, basic, the number of user. Number का basic में
Oh, yes,
आपको
sir, yes.
तो कितना type operating system है? We know there are two type of operating
The two types.
systems. Number of user, basic of the user, single user and multi-user. Single user and multi-user. What is a single user? Single user operating system support the only one user can control computers. Okay, so single user operating system provide the only one user to control your computer, right? Yes or no? That is called the
Yes,
single user. That means you are a single user in your computer. You can interact computer with multiple programs at a time. You're a single user, but you can also doing the multiple work at the same time. Okay, that is called the single user. And is the single user operating system, Mac OS, Windows, all are the example of the single user operating system. And next is the multi-user. Multi-user operating system is what? In this type of operating system, the multiple user can access the computer at the same time. Multiple user can access your computer same time. That is called the multi-user. Mainly, I'm telling already, the multi-user operating system work the main big IT companies, IT sectors. So they are using the multi-user operating
Unix, Linux,
system.
Windows.
Yes, Unix. So Unix, Linux, Windows is the example of the multi-user operating system. That means the only one user are there computer. Only one user are there computers. Okay. Sorry, only one operating system installed computer, and using this computer, the multiple user can access that operating system. That is called the multi-user operating system. Okay. Do you understand? Did you understand? Hello?
Yes,
And we
sir.
know, can you tell me, we know that two type of user interface of operating systems are there. Can you tell me the type of interface? Two type of interface operating systems are there. Two type of interface.
So graphical.
The graphical user
GUI,
interface
graphical
and
The
user
the
interface,
graphical and
and
character
command
user
based.
interface.
CUI or CLI, command line interface. There are two
Yes,
type of operating systems are there. Using the command line, if you doing anything in your computer, then what? Then suppose you are create a folder. Then dash time you write through the command, you can create a folder. So if you doing anything, so through the commands you can perform the tasks. Other hand, the GUI, a graphical user interface, in this operating system, these are graphical icons and represent are there. So through that graphical icon and represent and graphics, you can perform the different tasks in your operating system. That's called the graphical user interface, like Windows, Linux, Mac, Symbian, Android, iOS. All are the example of the graphical user interface operating system. Okay, so
yes, sir.
did you have any doubt regarding this chapter?
No, sir.
No,
Oh,
sir.
just a minute, I take your attendance. You can see in this time I am a single user in my computer and the multitasking are there, right? That means this is the single user multitasking. Yes or no? Huh? Same time you can
Yes,
see
sir.
same time I am opening the page, same time I'm opening the uh, Google Chrome. That means at the same time I'm a single user in my computer, and at the same time I am the multitasking in my computer. Okay, now you can leave. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.